Are we back at Terry's caramel cutting school?
This could be the last class.
Now everyone has graduated after watching this video.
No, this could be the last loaf of caramel I cut.
Wow.
With a knife.
With a machete.
Yeah. I ordered a caramel roller.
Doesn't Dad have a really, really old one?
That's like a machine.
Yeah.
This is a rolling pin with blades on it.
Huh.
So yeah.
So could you guys use both in the future?
What, his machine?
Yeah, and the caramel cutter thing you got?
He's not sure if the machine works. He's got to clean it up and see if it's got all its parts and whatnot. Whereas we're pretty sure the caramel roller will work because we're buying it brand new.
Yeah.
So it gosh darn better work.
Yeah.
Or there might be words to be said.
There might be heck to pay.
Yeah.
Whoa, sorry, strong language.
You'll put an alert in the comment.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Anyways, this is a rush order I'm doing for a wedding. See, today is Thursday. They came in yesterday, Wednesday, and they want sea salt caramels for their wedding, which is July 7th. So they gave us about a 9-day notice, but you do have the holiday in there called the 4th of July, also known as Independence Day. And Karen, none of us will be here on 4th of July, plus she's not here on the Monday and Tuesday. She's got stuff. Got a day off and then stuff going on. So she's actually only going to be here like 2 days next week, so we thought we better hop on this. Since she's our wedding favor specialist. So I'm getting these bad boys cut up. My last loaf of caramel, possibly.
Yeah.
And then they're going to do the ye olde enrobing.
Cool.
And call it a day? No, we're not going to call it a day. We're going to keep doing other stuff. We're not going to call it a day.
Yeah. I'm sure you'd want to be called a day, huh,
He's
Dad?
Like obsessed with my dough cutter, so he keeps taking it on me.
Good thing you work out, Dad.
Well, I better give this back before she gets mad.
Yeah, or else.
You only have one dough cutter? Is that the thing?
Yeah, back away quickly.
Well, you don't want to get bit.
I don't think you need to worry about fighting.
Careful, man.
Nothing like sticking your head in the jaws of a lion.
Careful, lights.
And guess what? I'm born in August. I'm a Leo.
Oh. Well, that just sounds like science to me.
I don't know.
Be careful.
I'm getting all.
Gemini? I don't know like anything about those things, but if you were a Gemini, that'd be kind of cool.
I'm not.
No?
Do you know what you are?
I'm a boy.
I'm a boy.
I'm a real boy.
I'm Batman. Maybe we want that cool. Better add some chocolate to it. In case we need it.
What's it say it's at?
100.
On it.
Hunter. Pronounce it correctly, Craig.
Gotta cut these up small so they melt fast.
Yeah.
You know.
So you can seed the enrober and seed the chocolate. The
Kinda,
melter
yeah.
thing over there.
I gotta get it down to 90 degrees.
Yeah.
And then in case we need more chocolate in the enrober, you can add chocolate that's 90 degrees and keep going.
Wow, Max is doing it himself over here.
Yeah, he's showing off, isn't he?
I knew you had the camera
I don't
going,
need
so.
you, Steve.
Stand over there and chop chocolate.
Okay.
What am I, chopped chocolate? Sorry. Ooh, you alright?
There's a refrigerator there.
Break your ball.
Don't worry, my neck broke my fall.
Is that from It's Always Sunny?
Huh?
Is that from It's Always Sunny? Or is that
No, that's from Joe Dirt.
Joe Dirt.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice when we go to the new place and I'm not gonna have to run into something every time, or like walk sideways between things.
You're gonna have lots of room, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are a lot of rooms over there.
Yeah.
He mentioned that it was nice to work with his cooling table, apparently he moved and he was able to move around all sides of the cooling table.
Ah.
And we found that to be good.
Yeah.
So just working from one side.
I don't
Yeah.
believe that. It sounds like an urban legend or something.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of candy makers struggle with space.
True.
Space-time continuum, that?
Yes, that. That's, yep.
Candy makers, physicists, same thing.
Look at him go.
You're like a ballerina over here. Oh, that wasn't good.
We need wax, paper, stat.
Oh, I might have to edit that one out. Well, you know, I've been saving up all my energy. I haven't ran since October, so.
Was that last, that half marathon the last time you ran?
Oh, yeah.
When's your next half marathon?
Never?
Welcome next
Honestly, I really did want to do it again this year, and then I just got really lazy, so.
I think it's on the
Maybe next year.
February 30th, I think you said, right?
You're not getting me to commit to anything on camera. I was especially not running a marathon in the middle.
I think you're too busy to think about it. But I said February 30th.
That sounds good. Yeah.
Oh, you guys are running one?
The next February 30th.
Oh my god.
I told you, you're too busy. You're doing too many things at once. It happens.
I made all your appointments for March 31st. Why'd you do that? I didn't think it existed.
Except Craig was born.
Yeah. But April Ludgate didn't know that.
Alright, I was glad you caught the
April Ludgate.
Who'd that be?
Grumpy girl.
Grumpy girl. The human embodiment of Grumpy Cat.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah, I know
really.
Grumpy Cat, but I don't know Grumpy Girl.
Just to mention a human being.
From Parks and Rec.
Okay.
They wreck the parks. That's what the show's about. They just go, they TP the parks, and
Well,
you
I thought
know.
that they like parked cars like valets, and then they also did demolition.
Hmm.
Is that no?
They park them and then they wreck the cars.
They could just wreck the car.
Sorry for the spoilers for everyone who hasn't finished all the seasons.
It's parks and recording. Whew, I didn't realize until like I just stopped, but I'm sweating from running back and forth.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is a good spot to be.
Yeah. You're focusing on like so many things at once that, you know, even if someone makes a joke,
Yeah, that I didn't know that February 30th didn't
right over your
exist.
head.
That's because it's February 31st. Surprised you didn't know that.
I can't know everything, Steve. You think I should turn the temp up or turn the wheel down a little bit?
You turn the temp up a notch. What's it on now?
90 now.
Yeah.
What was it on before?
That's a secret?
Less than 90?
Go see.
Maybe?
Secret's out.
It's 94 back there and 87 here. So you just turned it up one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it usually cooler when it comes out?
Yep.
Okay. That makes sense.
Get the rest of them. You got the rest of them?
I do.
Here's the paper.
Wow, she's so fast. Why you got a machine? She is a machine.
The machine will go slightly faster.
Look at her go.
And so these ones you said are not quite normal caramel size and not quite sea salt caramel size?
Tiny bit smaller, just so they'll fit in the box.
Yeah.
They do look like they might be practically just the same size.
Yeah.
Yeah. They look kind of.
My intention, as long as they fit in the box, that's what matters.
Yeah.
What if they don't?
Uh-oh.
Well, I did go upstairs and try out the ones that we had, and they fit, so I'm not gonna worry. It'll be okay.
It'll be okay.
So she says anyway.
Okay.
Man, it's gonna be 0 Kelvin. We're gonna be in trouble.
Looks like you adjusted the blower just right too, huh? All right.
I mean, I definitely bumped into it.
You forgot about it?
Oh yeah, no, look, that's what I did.
Well, I put the thing on and it was like, I moved it a little bit when I put the thing on, so I just kind of bumped it back. Like, yeah, that's good.
Looks good, it's blowing up just enough.
Alright, I hope the pretzels are okay too then.
Yeah, they're good.
I didn't even think about that, lowering it and everything.
Is that the speed of the wheel?
Yeah, I turned it down just a hair.
Yeah. Is that just bringing up too much chocolate all at once?
Yeah, it's spilling over.
Yeah.
Oh, is it starting to spill over? It got a little clogged up in the corners earlier. Is your
86, and it's going down still. Once I hit it again, but make it go up another notch.
Another one?
I've gone up to, remember I told you 95 once.
Yeah.
So still liquid in the back somewhat.
So from cutting the caramel to finishing through the enrober and sea salting it, does it take like 45 minutes to an hour?
I think cutting takes probably about 45 minutes. And then, I don't know how long that's taken, probably
An extra couple minutes?
10, 20 minutes.
10 minutes or so? Or?
So an hour, maybe a little bit less. And if Mom was to cut it and you were to cover it by hand, probably like 2 hours?
Takes me a little, almost an hour and 20 minutes, hour and a half per loaf.
Okay. So it'd probably be almost the same amount of time.
Well, we should count up how many of these ones we got. I know this isn't exactly the right size, but at least we'll have like a close...
Yeah, we'll have to count them when we're done. This is all of them, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait until we do the... Oh, that was a loaf and a half in the pan, right? Yep. Okay.
Well, you did the math the other day, right, for how many caramels should come in a loaf?
Yeah, for the smaller ones, it should be like 132.
Okay.
But you know, approximate the size of the loaf, and
Yeah.
most of each caramel's gonna be that size. So.
Yeah. So for sea salt, do you know how much it would be for sea salt?
No.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, that would be easier to find because the measurements on the sea salt are. I was gonna say that they're all over an inch, but it's 0.75 around it too. So.
Oh, okay. And how did you figure out the math for at least the smaller ones?
I made a function relative to the x. You know what I mean? So I had like x and y as variables, and I made it relative to the x so that I could make each fraction a whole number.
Okay.
And then just divided it by the same.
And how did you come up with that idea? Just thought about it longer?
Yeah. I tried to think about it without the numbers. So I was like, how do you know what I mean? If you made the 0.51 and you made the 0.75 1.5, it's the same thing. You know?
Yeah.
It's the same ratio.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't have thunk of that. Because I remember yesterday you were like, how do you, every time you multiply like a decimal, it just gets smaller instead of giving you actual size.
I didn't think about it until I was looking at it, and then I was like, well, this isn't going to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while since I had to do like any actual math.
Yeah. Oh, me too.
Yeah.
I avoid it at all costs because I have a phone.
Dude, did you know that if you turn your phone sideways, it's a scientific calculator?
Yeah, it is actually. That's really cool.
It's awesome.
I usually don't need that though, because I'm usually just like, let's add this up, just to make sure I'm not making a mistake, because I know I will.
I don't think I've ever used it either. Except for like if you have to like do anything with numbers like that have more than 6 digits.
Yeah.
Turn it sideways.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So you can actually see them all and stuff.
Yeah, it won't fit on the screen.
Yeah. Oh, so that's all that comes in one loaf.